let's look at power supply units, PSU. PSU too can develop problem. Okay, so PSU can also have issue. One major problem that PSU can have is low power rating to power demand by the components. And when that is happening, what you discover is that your computer will be going off as you are operating the system, as you are using it and opening different application program. Then when the power demand is higher than what the power supply unit can supply, what happens? Goes off by itself, pim. And that's very bad, that's very dangerous. It can spoil other components like processor, like hard drive. If it's going out like that so often, that can spoil other components in the computer. Or if the power supply unit is old and is failing gradually, it can also begin to go off. Another one is overheating. If the cooling fan attached to the power supply unit is malfunctioning or is failing, then the power supply unit can overheat. Remember, there is a cooling fan attached permanently to the power supply unit. Yes. Is that also? Yes. If that fan is not working fine, then your power supply unit will overheat. All the electronic components there, they get damaged. Remember semiconductor components, when they overheat, when temperature increases, they like almost increasing their functionality, generating more temperature, and then causing what is termed thermal runaway. Transistors will have thermal runaway. Thermal runaway means as current is increasing, temperature will increase. Then the semiconductor will behave like it's increasing charge carriers again. More current goes, more temperature, until temperature increases and spoil the components. So the component will spoil itself. So power supply units can overheat and cause failure. So PSU can cause failure. And don't forget also, PSU also goes form factor. Form factor with case and motherboard. Power supply unit goes with a form factor. Power supply unit, form factor of the motherboard, the case, and PSU must be the same, in order for them to work together in the same case. So these are possible problems also. These are possible problems on the power supply unit. And these are the major components in the computer that can develop problems. Your motherboard, RAM, hard drive, power supply units. These are the pungent components that can have problems that result into troubleshooting and maintenance. Start to troubleshoot where the problem is and so on and so forth. Okay. There could be other minor problem with optical drive, your DVD drive or whatever that you have. What have you? So we can also have issues with the optical drive. But that one is not really a major issue. When your optical drive is not working fine, it doesn't say the computer should not run. The computer will still run. It's only you will not be able to use your optical drive. But this other aspect that we have been talking about, the computer will not work at all. When your motherboard is having problem, or hard drive is having problem, or the RAM, forget it, you cannot use the system. The system cannot work. It's like when you have a motor vehicle, are you there? And the transmission system is not working. Or let's say the engine. Either engine or transmission now. The car cannot move, cannot leave the space. Any particular location where it is, it will stay there. Even if it is transmission, if the engine is working, you start the engine is running, but the transmission is not working. There's nothing to engage the power of the engine to the wheels, to transmit the power to the wheels so that the car can move. So the car will stay at that same position, it will not go. That's it. So all the major components that we have discussed, motherboard, RAM, HDD, PSU, the computer cannot work. When they are having main issues, the computer will not work. They will not work. That is it. So I don't know whether you have any question. Let's interact a little bit. Okay. So the camera is now to you. Question. Yes? Question. Somebody is putting her head on the desk. Doesn't want to look at the camera. Question. Nobody is asking question.
Yes, sir.